On the 20th of September 1378, the Western Schism began after the contested election of a second pope, dividing the Catholic Church for nearly 40 years. Welcome to HistoryPod. For much of the 14th century, the popes had resided in Avignon under the influence of the French crown, a period later known as the Avignon Papacy. In 1377, Pope Gregory XI decided to restore the papal court to Rome, but his death in March 1378 left the College of Cardinals to elect a successor. Under pressure from a Roman population determined to avoid the election of another French pope, they chose the Archbishop of Bari, who took the name Urban VI. However, Urban quickly alienated many of the cardinals with his harsh reforms and authoritarian style. His insistence on limiting the privileges of the cardinals and his outspoken criticism of their wealth caused discontent, and in response, a group of French cardinals withdrew from Rome, declaring Urban's election invalid and arguing that it had been made under duress from the Roman crowd. On the 20th of September 1378, these cardinals elected Robert of Geneva as pope, who assumed the name Clement VII as an antipope. Clement established his court in Avignon, supported by France, Scotland, and several other European states. Urban VI, meanwhile, retained control of Rome and was recognised by England, much of Germany, and parts of Italy. The result was a divided Christendom, with two rival popes, each claiming legitimacy. The schism had wide-reaching consequences. It undermined the authority of the papacy, weakened the Church's moral standing, and contributed to political rivalries across Europe with overlapping claims of authority in many dioceses. The Western Schism only ended in 1417, when the Council of Constance deposed or accepted the resignation of rival claimants and elected Martin V as Pope.